GPT-3 is a neural network-based language generation model that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. It is the third iteration of the GPT series, with each successive version of the model becoming larger and more powerful. GPT-3 is trained on a massive dataset of text, including books, articles, and websites, which allows it to generate text on a wide range of topics and in a variety of styles. The model has been fine-tuned on a number of different language tasks, such as language translation, question answering, and summarization. So it can be used for a variety of natural language processing applications. One of the key features of GPT-3 is its ability to perform well on a wide range of tasks without any task-specific training. The model is also able to generate text that is coherent and fluent, with a good understanding of context and grammar. GPT-3 can generate text that is so convincing that it is hard to tell it is machine-generated. GPT-3, however, is not perfect, with certain limitations such as possibility of generation of biased, offensive or irrelevant text if not provided the adequate or proper context. Also, it is not able to reason or understand the meaning, it just generates text based on the patterns it has seen during the training process. Overall, GPT-3 is a powerful and versatile language generation model that can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks. And it has been used in many applications such as writing assistants, automated content generation, and more.